अक्सर लोग ये समझते हैं कि पंजेरी सिर्फ प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ के लिए बनाई जाती है और खाई जाती है। ऐसा नहीं है। ये हर उम्र के अफराद के लिए ऐसा सोर्स है जो प्रोटीन और न्यूट्रिशन से भरपूर हैं। आज के मिलावटी दौर में ये एक बेहतरीन, बगैर कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स के, ऑर्गेनिक और हेल्दीएस्ट फूड सप्लीमेंट है। दिस इज सूटेबल फॉर ऑल एजेस एंड फॉर ऑल सीजन्स। हर उम्र के लोग फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी हर मौसम में खा सकते हैं। फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी एन ऑर्गेनिक, वर्सेटाइल एंड हेल्दी फूड सप्लीमेंट। फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी का ये नायाब तोहफा एक कॉल पर आपके घर पर
Hi everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate ARTV because they have come and asked for the interview tips. I'm very glad for that. Now what I want to tell is, see, look, when organizer, when the concerned person who is doing so much efforts for job melas, we have to respect them. The first and foremost thing is, this is only and only for students. Now candidates who are going for interview, please understand what's your intention. You should have a set right goal that you have to get selected. Now how you get selected? First and foremost thing, when you're going for interview, have proper resume. What is that? You should know what's your experience, what's your job, what you're good into, all those things. Like we call it as SWOT analysis. First find out what your strengths are, what's your weakness. Based on that you go for interview. Now you're going for IT, or you're going for medicine, you're going for pharma, you're going for marketing, you're going for banking, whichever interview segment you're going, please understand what for. And the employer who is there, he is not just going to hire you for the sake of hiring. He or she will hire you if you have the knowledge. Understand one thing in life. Someone is paying you 25,000 rupees, they expect you to be caliber oriented of 200,000 rupees. What I'm trying to tell you is, few points I'm going to give you, please understand. When you're going for interview, have your perfect career goals. Tell them very clearly, I love this job, I want to get into that. Now about your positive attitude, what you are good at, all those things you tell them. These will be very helpful. Apart from that, be on time, respect the employer. If at all you're not getting selected, don't get disheartened. You've got a lot of opportunities. I just want to tell you, because we are running short of time, please, whatever employer is asking, be honest, tell the truth, the knowledge what you have, express them, because tomorrow is an opportunity where you can get selected. Understand one thing, your job matters the most. Don't ever think that today you are getting only 15,000, 20,000 and you don't want to go for job. Please get selected. Whatever job is there, job is job. Once you get the job, from there you can consolidate. Life is all about growing. You don't think that only today I'm getting 20,000. Understand, you can get 200,000 per month also. It is possible. But right now, the opportunity what is there, please use it in a proper way. Dress well, be on time, take care of yourself. Just don't go if interview for the sake of going, okay, this is our people, they will get selected. No. First and foremost, then respect the employer. But this, I just want to say good luck. I hope tomorrow you will get selected. Best of the best candidates. I'm telling you once again that we should be thankful to this TV channel because they have come and asked for the interview tips. Thank you so much. God bless you.
अक्सर लोग ये समझते हैं कि पंजेरी सिर्फ प्रेग्नेंट लेडीज़ के लिए बनाई जाती है और खाई जाती है। ऐसा नहीं है। ये हर उम्र के अफराद के लिए ऐसा सोर्स है जो प्रोटीन और न्यूट्रिशन से भरपूर हैं। आज के मिलावटी दौर में ये एक बेहतरीन, बगैर कोई प्रिजर्वेटिव्स के, ऑर्गेनिक और हेल्दीएस्ट फूड सप्लीमेंट है। दिस इज सूटेबल फॉर ऑल एजेस एंड फॉर ऑल सीजन्स। हर उम्र के लोग फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी हर मौसम में खा सकते हैं। फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी एन ऑर्गेनिक, वर्सेटाइल एंड हेल्दी फूड सप्लीमेंट। फैज़ पिस्ता पंजेरी का ये नायाब तोहफा एक कॉल पर